Alright guys, this is my pocket knife. I don't know what this is for, but you could like, oh, this is for, see it, I think you could put your hand on it or something like that, maybe. Yeah. Anyway, let's open it up. That's like a little material right there, and then, yeah, that's how you stick it up. You guys heard it. Anyway, this is like you could put it on the like, let's say car keys for, let's see. Anyways, the shit's itchy. Uh, there's this. Do this. Oh, and there's a light. Hold on, I'll show you that in a minute. Like that, and then there you go. Made a cutting thing, whatever it's called. You can cut wood or something. Cause I cut wood before. And let's go on to the light. So you guys saw the light. Anyway, it's just a light bulb in there, as you can see the light bulb. Um, pretty bright light. So, pretty bright. Oh, it shut off. See? Oh, whoa. And then if you just, this is on. This is off, or you can take the batteries out. Here's the little thing that's on the liners. Batteries that's inside the, yeah. So let me close it up like that. Oh God, dude, what? Do you really put the news on when I'm making a video?
I told you, dude.
Just turn it down, please. Oh God damn it.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, for real. This is a knife for like killing people. Like not killing people, but you could kill like cockroaches, rabbits, bears, something like that. It's pretty sharp. That's why the computer is kind of broke. Kind of a. Oh, yeah. This is a magnet, and then this is the magnet right here by the camera. But next to it's a magnet. Pretty cool. No, wait, that side's a magnet. Yeah, it does work. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now we have another knife. I don't know what this kind of knife is, but you can tell me in the comments below what it is. It's I don't know. But I can stab people with it. That's what you can do, but it's not that sharp. It's not really sharp. It kind of hurts you, but not really. Now let's get on to this next part right here. This is a knife that won't hurt anyone. You can just stab people. It will hurt you on this. But if you do this, it won't hurt you. Okay. Next. Oh. I haven't opened this in a really long time, guys. But this is a knife. Like it's just stab people and you can cut them and hold on to them and cut off, I think. That's what that's for. Alrighty, and then when you wanna actually you took that out and then you do it this way. Do that. Do that and then you push it. Oh shoot. And then you push it like this. And then put it back in the case. Okay, that's it guys. Alright, bye.